That'll leave a mark. So embarrassing. But check out all this free stuff! Look! A real cardboard box! Yep, it's transformation time. And I've got a very good idea. A big one! See? Good thing I've got lots of tape. Just one more piece here. There. That was rough, but totally worth it. But that color… Wait. I can just use this thing. Well, a few more than this. Now we're talking! Hey, look! Should I? Hey, these are just perfect! I love it! Not bad, I guess. I need a house of my own. Yes, a house stacked. Help me! Yes, I need you too. I'm calling them right now. Alrighty. Hey, this way. Jeez.
Sorry, lady.
Are you?
It's for you.
I'm not touching those. Hey!
Just give me an hour, alright?
Oh, is that necessary?
There, just about finished.
Wow.
Welcome home.
I suppose you want to get paid. Is this enough?
Looks good to me.
Wow, that was hard work. But I'm not done. Wow, a money house! Doesn't it look expensive? And it's all mine. Huh? Come here, honey. Just build it over there, okay? And I want it super fancy, got it? Are you almost done? I don't know, it looks cheap. I hate it. How about a little gold?
Wow! A real gold brick! Unbelievable!
No, melt it.
What? But why? That's criminal! I can't believe I'm doing this. I could have been rich, but that will never be. Here it goes. Liquid gold. It sure is pretty, though. Just look at that shine. She definitely has expensive taste.
You're done? Oh, it's magnificent! But it could still use something else.
Wait, I got you. Pink. Here it comes.
Oh, it's so cute! Yay!
Feeling the love, and it's all yours.
A little to the left.
It's perfection. Well…
You earned yourself some gold.
Wow!
Maybe just the one.
Spectacular! Thank you!
So cheap. Just look at all this. And to make it look even more expensive, more gold, baby. Yay! It's perfect. Wait, what about mine? Hello, over here. Whatever. This thing could use a little fresh air. Wait for it. There! A window! Nice! Hey, what's this? It's just the right size, I think. Only one way to find out. Yep. But I ain't done yet. Some outlining makes it nice and bold. Just a tad more. All done! Isn't it great? Hey, you guys! $500 bills? Gross! No way! 1, 2, 3. Fine. Let me think. What's this? A little tube? No, a really big tube. Perfect for a window. Cute, right? Hello out there! This is nice. Come see. I'm a little busy at the moment. Whatever. Help, please. You need me? Ugh. Okay. Lift this with me. Got it? Set it here. Oh, I'm sweating. So not cool. Just a bit further, come on. That's all I need. Bye. Oh, so ungrateful. How hard could this be? You good? Just give me a minute. Ta-da! Isn't it to die for? Soft, too. All done. Hope you like pink. It's not that great. It's better than yours. How dare you! I'll show you who's better! Oh, my pearls! Too bad, so sad. What's going on out there? Hey, stop! Stop! Hey, get out! Okay, okay. Help! We're doomed! I found light! Come on, this way. Move! Wait! Over there! I don't know about this. Should I? Oh, thank goodness. Ugh! Out of my way. Whatever. This is much better. What a relief. Wait, I have an idea. Craft time! But first, I need the right shape. There we go. Check them out. All they need is a little color. Okay, lots of color. Let there be light. Just string them on and you're good to go. So festive, am I right? And I didn't spend a penny. You hear that? Is that supposed to be innovative? I'll show her some bright thinking. Not sure what to do with this. Something better, please? Wow, now we're talking. Nothing shines quite like gold. I'll show you exactly what I mean. Oh yeah. I want them all. Ta-da! But I'm not quite done yet. Never underestimate the details. And just like that, it's ready to hang. Shine bright, baby! It really brightens up the bills, don't you think? It's mediocre at best. I prefer something a little richer. Like these. And yes, they're real. And already on a string. Classy is so the vibe here. And what's classier than real pearls? Isn't it just fantastic? Yay! It's so magical! I'm liking it here. Nice work! How am I supposed to get mail? Let me see. Choices, choices. Definitely not. Hey, that's adorable. Is it here? Oh my! It's really here! And to make it better, some ruby red sparkle, of course. So lovely. Who has plain mailboxes anyway? Super fab. I just have to post this. That dinky thing. Enter opulence. Next. No thanks. Now that's interesting. Hi.
Good day, miss.
Excuse me. What about your payment? Hello? It's not done.
Of course. I forgot the most important part.
Wow. Wait. Where did he go? I'm on my own? No way. It's giving mega rich. Wait. Right. All done. Say wealthy. That's super nice. Maybe I can go shopping too. Or maybe not. See what I mean? Useless. Unless… I'm no stranger to getting creative. Pencil, please. Let's giraffe this bad boy. I'm seeing it. Time to make it real, folks. See what I mean? And just like that, I have a mailbox. No shopping apps, no problem. Yay! Look! I made this! Good job! For a peasant. What's that? Hide! I'm scared. Oh no!
Oh! Good heavens! What's going on in here? Ooh!
We're doomed!
Little houses? Interesting.
Hey, I think we can come out now. That was really close. Hey, I have mail. What is it? Oh no, the exam! Today? Alrighty. I got one too. Bummer. An exam? Piece of cake. I always go to class prepared. Notebooks, assemble. Wow! Look at her go! Ah, I got this! Come on, Tears! I'm gonna head out. Wait, can you take the test for us? Please? Okay. I'll help you. Let's go, we're gonna be late.
Alright, honey. Now here are all your school supplies. Have a good day at school. Do good work.
I will. Oh! My back broke. All my stuff is on the ground.
Oh no, honey. Okay, don't worry. I'll fix it. Let's see. There has to be something around here I can use. Time for me to get to work on making this solution. Ta-da! A brand new backpack just for you.
Wow! It's so amazing! Alright, I'm off to school. See you when I get home. Okay, miss. Which bag would you like for school today?
Not that one. It's too boring and out of style.
Well, you have this little purple one, or this one made of gold.
Yep, that's the one I want to use today.
Excellent choice, Miss Emma. Here you go. I'm sure you'll have a good day. Phew. Glad that's over with.
Mom, look! There's gonna be a school party! Oh my! Well, doesn't that sound like fun?
But Mom, I'm gonna need something to wear, right?
Good idea! I think there's something in here we can use. Let's see what this is. Something blue, it seems. It looks like it's an old shirt. Well, put it on!
Okay. Well, at least it fits. That's a start. But it's definitely covered in stuff that needs to go.
Hold still. I'll use our trusty vacuum to get all these spider webs. Okay, it's working great. Now turn around so I can get the bag. Just a little bit more and… Ow! Turn it off!
Hey, wait a second. I think that actually gives me a good idea. Alright, here's the binder. Let's give it a try.
Oh, I see. I'll put the binder on the vacuum hose like this. And now I'll use the suction to arrange her hair. And then the binder can slide right off. Perfect! Those were the easiest pigtails I've ever had to do.
Yes! I think I'm ready to go to this party. Thanks so much for all the help, Mom. You're the best.
Have fun! Oh, wait! You forgot the invitation! Hi, everyone! I'm here at the party. Huh? Annie has pigtails in her hair? And so does Betty? Even Liam is wearing pigtails? I definitely can't be part of a trend. I set the trends! Hey, you're my stylist, so I need you to fix my hair problem.
Okay, I'll meet you at this party.
Thank goodness you're here. Everyone is wearing pigtails. Oh, wow, you're right. We can't have that. Don't worry, though. I've got a solution that fixes everything. I'm just gonna separate a section of your hair up here. I'll do a couple more, and then repeat on the other side. Alright, you're already looking beautiful. But I'm not done yet. We need to add some bling. Literally. I'm adding gemstones to your part. Excellent! Looks like it's time for me to officially join the party. No way! Look at Emma! She's stunning! Liam, I'm serious! Look at her right now!
Ooh, Emma's party outfit is amazing! I wonder if I could pull off something like that. I've got these candies. I'll just give it a little lick and… it fell off. Darn. I guess it's not for me. Where did I put that… Ah! A mouse!
What? A mouse? In the house? Oh my gosh!
Oh, here's my shirt. Aw, that dumb mouse ruined it. It's got a huge hole chewed in it now.
Mom! Honey, are you okay? Did the mouse scare you?
No, but it did ruin my favorite red t-shirt.
Oh my, that's a very large hole indeed. Huh, but maybe I can actually make something out of nothing. Well, we have a large hole, so that needs to go away. There we go. I just snipped it all off, and it's gone. Now I've got the rest of the shirt to work with. I need to make some more cuts, though. Don't worry, it'll be fine. I'm just gonna snip around the collar and remove that, too. Good. Then I'm going to start cutting down the middle of the shirt. But just on the front side, not the back. I want to fold in these edges up here, and then sew a ruffle. Don't worry, it's really easy to sew. Just gather and bring the thread through. It's done! Just tie it in the front and you've got a cute crop top!
Wow, Mom! I'm totally impressed with what you were able to do! I love it! Thank you!
Oh, one more thing. We don't want you to get chilly.
Wait a second. Mom! This shawl has a mouse hole in it, too!
Those dumb mice! Oh, we really can't get away from them, can we? What's that? It's the mouse! There he goes!
What? I totally spilled ice cream on my blouse.
Ugh, could this day be any worse?
Now I have to change.
Let's see.
Well, I'm not feeling any of these tops. What else do I have in here that I could wear? Oh, thank goodness! You're in here! That's perfect. I need your help.
Oh my goodness! This is an emergency situation!
Let's see what I have in here that could work.
Oh, what about this printed silk shirt?
Oh yes, that'll be nice.
Hey, you missed me! Oops. I meant to dress you, not the chair. That's quite alright. I've got something else that'll work too. Oh, forget being a janitor! I look too good for that! Sorry about that. But don't worry, I've still got the sparkles and the glam! How about I just try this one on myself? There we go! No more fancy chairs or janitors. This'll work. Here, I expect this'll cover the cost. Thank you. See you next time! Phew, what a day! I can't believe how bad she was at throwing clothes. But now everything's better. Time to get to class. There we go. This cute balloon decoration is put up. Okay, let me check on the fridge. Let's see. I know I had a special meal set aside. Ah, here it is. Good thing I had it labeled. Now for the candle. Ahem. Happy birthday to you, Annie! Huh? What's that? What's going on? A surprise party just for me? Of course. Happy birthday. Now make a wish. Yay! I can't wait to eat my birthday cabbage. Let me just peel off a leaf here. There. It's very good. Fresh. I'm gonna have another layer right now. Happy birthday, darling. I'm so glad you like your cabbage. Oh, for me? Well, I guess I could have a little bit. Whoa! Look at what's in the center of my head of cabbage! A whole piece of candy! This is the best birthday ever! It's orange flavor, too. Which I know is your favorite. It is! But here, it's even better sharing with you. The last finishing ribbon decoration is done. Let me see. I don't know. Will she like this? Happy birthday, Emma darling. Here's your cake. What? I hate this cake! It's not what I wanted at all! Ooh, no. Can you make this better?
Well, I'll see what I can do, I suppose. Maybe I can just put some of these decorations on it instead. There. It is done. And it is exquisite.
It's definitely different. I wonder if she'll like it. Ooh, a cupcake on my cake! I love it. Ow! My tooth! Mom, why did you do this to me? Oh my gosh! No, no, no. There's gotta be something else we can do. Oh right. She absolutely adores fresh fruit. Surely there's something you can do with the produce in this bowl?
Yes, of course. I am a pastry chef after all. We often work with fruit. In fact, these cookie cutters will help with the design. I will use them on the fruit slices. They will add something extra. Who wants boring fruits when you can have stars and flowers instead? Now that they are cut out, it's time to decorate the cake. Luckily, there is space enough on the cake for all the fruit slices. And the cake is complete. Voila! What do you think?
Bravo! This is a masterpiece of a cake for sure. Happy birthday, Emma darling. And here's your cake. Oh wow, I love cake and I love fresh fruit. This is so delicious. Well, only the best for my perfect birthday girl. Happy birthday. Phew. I think I'm ready for school to begin. Hey! Those are my pencils! Oh no, it's totally squashed. I can't believe it. How am I going to keep them organized now? Oh, was that what I stepped on? Oopsie. Guess I better get out my own markers and writing utensils. These should be enough to get me through today. Now for my notebooks, folders, and binders. I guess maybe I can try to put them back in here. Oh my gosh, she's so pathetic to watch. I suppose I could help her out some. Hey Annie, here, you can use these for class today. For me? Really? Wow, thank you so much, Emma. You're welcome. Look at these amazing school supplies! I have a great idea! I'll use these rubber bands and stretch them across the binder cover. And now those rubber bands will hold my supplies in place. Look! I can even fit more on the inside cover as well! Wow! It can really hold a lot. And now all of my things are organized and safe! Ooh, nice job, Annie. Thanks, but I couldn't have done it without you. I guess it's time to start class. Thanks again, Emma! How would you like your birthday cake decorated? Tell us in the comments! And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one!